Welcome to another wonderful video. So in this video, I'll be showing you, the platform, the survey platform that make life easy for you. Survey platform that is made for both new people that wants to like venture into survey, and for those that have been in survey for a long time. So this platform is for you. It's made life very easy for you. So just stick around to the end of this video. I'll be exposing this platform to you, and I'll be giving you all the tips and tricks you need to know on this platform as we go. So once again, you're welcome to Money Tips Online. On this platform, we show you different ways, different methods of making money online, from affiliate marketing to survey to crypto trading to squeezing out the best out of AI, using your AI to the optimum best, making money to social media, moving from an affiliate marketer to a vendor. For some of you that have been, you've been a marketer all your life. So this video is going to help you to drop that journey of a marketer, that tag or title of a marketer, and become a full-time vendor. You have a product of your own. You don't necessarily need to have this product at hand. We will give you this product. This product will become your own. Everything you need. Some of this product come with 10 videos, 20 videos, 15 videos, 30 videos. It depends on you. So we make this product available for you. So all you need to do is just come to our community, join our community. Click the link down below this video and be a member of our community. It's a growing community. We are still new, we are fresh, we are still upcoming. So just try to be among the first set of people that will join the community and get the best out of it. So let's dive into the video proper now. So the name of the platform is called Curious Cat. It is called Curious Cat. So it is actually a UK based platform, and I think they also have a US version of this platform also. So it's a very, very nice platform. On this platform, you can be making like £2 to £5 every 2-3 days. Every 2-3 days, you can be making that amount every 2-3 days, depending on the effort you put in. You can even be making like let's say $2 from this platform every single day. It all depends on the effort you put in, and you know how much that is at the end of the week, at the end of the 7 days. So it all depends on you. So the platform is really, really very okay. Their surveys are very, very easy to take. They are very, very nice to take, and everything is very, very easy. So all you need to do is just go ahead and click on any of the surveys that are available, and you just go ahead and take the survey. So it's as simple as that. So the minimum you can withdraw on this platform is 100 points, and 100 points is equivalent to £1. 100 points is equivalent to £1. So it's as simple as that. So now let me now tell you one or two things that you need to know about this platform. Now, when you're registering on this platform, all you need to do is try as much as possible to because registration is necessary on this platform. So what you need to do is just get your ID. Now, ID card, Nigeria ID card, is being accepted on this platform. So if you're watching this video from any other African country, you're covered. Just get a government issued ID card. Get a government issued ID card and use it on this platform. Get a government issued ID card again and use it to register on this platform, because by the time you register, the platform will prompt you for your ID. So all you need to do is just make sure you get your ID card available. Registration on this platform is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. You can either use register through Google, or you can register by entering your email and password, and you're good to go. You're good to go. So after that, all you need to do is just do your verification. So when you do your verification, just enter your ID. Make sure the information on your ID tallies with what is on your email. Try as much as possible to use an email that matches your ID. That is always the best way to go about it. Just use an email that matches your ID, so it becomes so very easy for you. So what else again? So another thing you also need to know about this platform is This platform is way very easy. Like, it makes life easy for you. So, but one thing you need to know about this platform is to make sure that you don't stay greedy. Now, for every, okay, let me go to my other account. I'm running 2 different accounts on this platform. I'm running 2 different accounts on my phone on this platform. And you know what that means? That means on both platforms on one single phone, it means that you can be having access to, you can be making like £4 every single day, or £4 or like £6-7 every other day. So that is the purpose of having like multiple account of this running on your phone. So now let me quickly show you one or two things. Now, every of these symbols you see from rainbow to a rocket launcher, to a tortoise or tortoise, to the cat you're seeing here with 50 points, to banana peel, and so many. Every of these things has their significance, which you need to be very, very careful, and you don't have to be greedy. So now the actual arc to stay to have a very long stay on this app is to try as much as possible to avoid some certain surveys. You need to avoid some certain surveys as much as you can. Now, anytime you see surveys that comes with this card, anytime you see surveys like this, they are good to go. They are very, very good to go. You can go with them. When you see surveys that come with rainbow, they are very, very nice. When you see surveys that has rocket launcher, they are very nice. Very, very okay. And at the same time, try as much as possible to work with the rating, the percentage of that survey. Work with the percentage. By the time you see 99% on that survey, 99%, it means the survey is good to go. It means what? You're good to go. So try to work on the percentage, the rating. Can you see the success rate of that particular platform, of that particular survey, before you can decide to go ahead with it? So check the success rate before you decide to follow through with it. So let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. As you can see, this one is having 90%. So 90% is also good. So if you want to work on these surveys, try as much as possible to work on, let's say, from 70% upward. If you see a survey that is showing 70% success rate upward, you can go for it. It will mostly head. Just look at this now. This one is giving us a typical example of what I'm talking about. So when you see surveys that are having like 70% success rate upward, jump at it, and try as much as possible to make sure that the information you're giving totally correspond. You don't give conflicting information. Make sure that whatever information you're giving, your demography from the beginning to the end, all correspond. Do not give conflicting information. It will surely backfire in the long run. So if you are 38 years old, hold on to 38 years old to the end. If you are 25, hold on to 25 to the end. If you are 20, hold on to 20 to the end. If you are 50, hold on to 50 to the end. If you are 90, hold on to 90 to the end. So do not, conflict information you give. So these are part of the thing that end up affecting most accounts. So just try to be you, try to be yourself. So that is all. Let me quickly do a recap of what I've said so far. All you need to do on this platform is have a government issued ID card. And make sure that your email that you use to register corresponds with your name. That will make it very easy for you to have a successful verification on the platform. Try as much as possible to open an email that corresponds with your name on your ID. So to make it very easy for you to withdraw. And at the same time, avoid surveys that are having from 60% below success rates. Avoid surveys that are having from 60% below success rate if you want to enjoy this platform. Very, very easy. Platform is so very easy to run. It's very, very fine. Everything on it goes very well. As a new person in this survey world, if you're also a old survey person, everything goes very well here for you. So you have no reason to complain here. So that is all I think you need to know here. So if you want to withdraw on this platform, all you need to do, you can withdraw only via PayPal. withdrawal on the platform is only via PayPal. So note that it's only via PayPal. So you can always only withdraw via PayPal on this platform. So all you need to do is just link your PayPal account to it, add your PayPal email to it, and withdraw. Is as simple as that. Is as simple as that. So just stay put on this platform, on this channel. A lot is still coming. A lot of videos are coming your way. We'll be showing different ways, different methods of making money online. We'll be showing different hacks that make life easy for you. Different things you are doing wrong, the wrong way, we'll be exposing them to you in this video. We'll be showing the easier way to go about them. Everything you need to know about, you need to know online, we'll be bringing it across to you. So so just stay glued to this channel. Like, subscribe, follow this channel, share this channel with your friends, and join our community. The link is down below this video. Join our community. Go ahead and join our community. So thank you for watching. Thank you.